Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So let's continue it. So very first of all, now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be creating this top space over here. For that, let's go into this view over here. That's your side view over here, and let's create a box over here which you will pull it out, push this till here, convert to editable poly, go to the top view, go into this vertices, push this over here. That's it. So now what I'm going to do over here is like I'm going to create some kind of stairs over here. So if you see this, so I'm going to extend this part. This will be over here. So let's take again a box over here. So let's go onto the top view and let's take a box over here. So after you have taken a box over here, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to scale this, push this over here, scale a bit. I'll just push that up, push that up, and I'll make a copy of it. So just delete this. Perfect. So if you see this, it's perfectly coming over here. So let's save your file over here now. So now what I'm going to do over here is like again I'm going to go into this front view over here and take a line over here. Let's take a line over here and into this enable in viewport, so you can just make it thicker. So make the angle as 90 degree over here, shift and rotate it, go into the vertices, so select this both, just push it over here, reduce its thickness over here, duplicate it, okay. So now what I can do over here is like we can slowly just push it much further over here. We can push this till here. Let's go into this view over here and let's again take a line over here. So just push that till here. So just select this and give its thickness, that is 2.66, the thickness to this. Now what I can do over here is, like, I can just push this over here, select this, so just keep on making this copies over here. So you can just push that up. So once you're done, you can just select this all and just save your file. So let's create this cabinet stuff over here. So let's take again a box over here. Let's go on to the top view. So convert to editable poly. Just push that a bit up. Let's make it to the shaded over here. So let's convert to editable poly over here. So use a swift loop over here. So select this all, just push this inside. Press 4 again, and if you want, you can just use a bit of inset over here, and let's give a bit of bevel. That's it. So you can just save your file again. So let's go on to the top over here, select this and this, and let's give a bit of inset, and let's just extrude a bit and click OK. So this will be a kind of your wash basin over here. So we are going to use again a inset over here, and let's use a bit of bevel over here, push it inside, click OK. That's it. Okay, so just save your file. So we can just define some kind of details over here for this, wall or something. There will be a glass over here. So let's go into this again, select this all. We're definitely going to push it up. So right now we'll give this details afterwards for this glass stuff. So we'll just keep it over here. So we have one frame over here. We'll keep one frame over here. Of this, just push this over here. That's it. Perfect. So we have very tiny details over here. We have to create all this stuff. So let's create this lamp. So for that, let's first take a line over here right from the top. So let's just push it till here. Let's take a sphere. So you can just take a sphere right from the top view. Just push that up. It's a big sphere. Make sure you're taking a big sphere over here. So after taking this sphere, let's convert to editable poly. Press 4. Let's go into this polygons. Select the half polygons. If you want to scale this half polygons, perfect. We can do it in this way. Select this half polygons, or if you don't need this half polygons, you can just delete this stuff over here. So select the border, right click and just cap it, and let's go into this. You can select this edges, and you can give a bit of chamfer on it if you want. So you can just give a chamfer on it and just click OK. That's it. So definitely we'll be just adjusting this stuff afterwards. First we are just duplicating this stuff, just modeling it. So the next step will be the adjustment part, which will be definitely doing it. So let's convert to editable poly. Let's use a Swift loop. Select this polygons, extrude by local normal. Okay, and for a time being we are just keeping it in this way. So definitely we'll adjust it. So you can save your file. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial.